So here's how you can do some squat progression. So normally we'll have someone with some weights with this, but as you get started, you can use an elevated surface as a target or a chair with a pillow in it. And we're going to start off with making sure that your nose are over your toes when you're sitting up and down. So when you're doing this, if you're coming from a full seated position, you're going to lean so your nose are over your toes and you feel that pressure in the balls of your feet, and then you're going to stand up. Now as you do this to become stronger at it, is then you're going to use that chair or that surface as a target. And so again, you think leaning your nose over your toes, you're going to stick your bottom back like you're closing a car door, touch, and come back up. Your hands can be out straight or they can be to your side, whichever feel more comfortable. If they're out straight, that will basically offset or cantilever you and make that a little bit easier for you to come up and down. Now when this gets easy is then you come down to a lower surface like a chair or with a chair with a pillow, and then you go down all the way. So you're going to do those for repetitions. What you're going to do is come up and squeeze your bottom at the top. Don't hyperextend your back, and it's going to be working your glutes and your quadriceps.